All right, Tony at Old Mine Wrenching again. Updates. Assembling the sandwich that is the right-in readout board. Extremely difficult. I'm not sure how they did these at the factory, but getting the the pins to line up with these holes while you're trying to put the two halves together is extremely difficult. I ended up working in like small zones and then adding a screw as I went around to help hold it down, because typically if you want to, let's say, put that pin in, this one will pop loose, and same here, and then that one, and here, and then that one, and it just takes a lot of back and forth trying to get it together. I'm not sure how they did it at the factory. I'm sure it was a very patient individual, or they had a special jig for doing this. I thought I would show real quick the springs, because I ended up removing all the springs thinking that might help me. I'm not sure that it did or not, but some of them would dislodge when I was trying to assemble it, so it just made sense to go ahead and just pull them all out. So they're not terribly hard to install. There is a smaller end and a bigger end. And the smaller end goes towards this part of the pin, where it connects to the pin. The wider part goes to the base. And like I said, it's not terribly hard to get on there. I'm not gonna be able to film it and do one, but effectively I jam it on here, and then I take a screwdriver. Let's see if I can do one-handed. Oh. So you're just gonna put it on that guy and then squeeze it. Yeah, and so if it goes flying across the room, you'll never see that again. All right, so gave up trying to do that one-handed. And so basically you just hook him onto that, and then I use a screwdriver to pull the spring in. All right, now he's on the base plate. And that's all it holds it on there. I mean, it's virtually nothing. Stay tuned.